Imagine this. You're a young professional, staring at a tiny paycheck on your phone. But what if I told you there are so many ways to earn more? Your job isn't your only option. In 2026, digital technology and the internet have unlocked incredible side hustles. From freelancing to e-commerce, you can turn skills into income. But here's the catch. Many promises online are just hype. Today, we'll explore side hustles where real money can be made, if you're ready to work. So, what makes a side hustle worth it? Let's look at two scenarios. On one side, someone does tedious tasks for tiny payments. On the other, someone with a valuable skill earns real money. Here's the formula. Skill plus demand plus value plus consistency equals income potential. Before diving into our list, keep this in mind. A good side hustle isn't just about quick cash. Look for demand, low startup costs, and future growth potential. Choose wisely. First up is AI automation services. Businesses want to save time. If you can connect AI tools to their processes, you've got a valuable service. Automate customer inquiries, appointment scheduling, or workflows. Understand the problem first, then build your solution. Next is freelancing. Turn your skills into cash. Video editing, graphic design, or writing can all be done remotely. Focus on your niche, build a portfolio, and you'll attract better paying clients. Then we have YouTube and content creation. You don't need to be on camera. Educational videos or tutorials can generate income through ads and sponsorships. The key is to be consistent. Digital products are also a great option. Create ebooks or online courses once, then sell them repeatedly. Make sure you're solving a specific problem. Affiliate marketing is popular too. Recommend products and earn commissions. Build trust through helpful reviews and your audience will follow your recommendations. Online tutoring and coaching can monetize your expertise. Choose a subject you know. Help students achieve a specific result. Don't forget niche e-commerce. Focus on a specific audience. Research what they need before investing in products. Short-form video editing is trending. Transform long videos into bite-sized clips for social media. Businesses need constant content, providing you with repeat clients. Lastly, consider local business services. Help small businesses improve their online presence and gain customers. Find a specific problem and offer a simple solution. So, which side hustle suits you? Technical? Choose AI automation. Creative? Try video editing or digital products. Good with people? Opt for tutoring or consulting. Remember, the best side hustle matches your strengths and meets market demand. To kickstart your journey, try this 90-day action plan. Days 130. Learn. Days 3160. Build. Days 6190. Sell. Start small, learn fast, and grow steadily. What side hustle will you choose? Share your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe to Finance Flow for more insights on money and business. Finance Flow, learn, build, grow.